So glad you're here. Mother would often remind me, when you come into somebody's home, you don't go empty-handed, you bring a gift. One hallelujah, she would say. So tonight, I want to share with you in the majesty, the brilliance of my friends and family. One by one, they'll take the stage and they will express themselves and perform for all of us as a reminder, something beautiful, something really beautiful in the world. One hallelujah. So don't sit back, don't relax, take it all in. One by one, they'll come into the space, this shared space, this National Sawdust, the house that Paola built. And they'll claim their brilliance and their love and their expression and everything that they do. In their singing, and their playing, and their moving, and their dancing, all for you. One hallelujah. Ooh.